Did you know that 30% of the human and animal population is considered to be highly sensitive? This is a completely different way of processing the world. And there is research to back this up, that this is biologically wired in, that it's actually advantageous for a certain percentage of the population to have a higher depth of processing. HSPs have greater activation in the parts of their brain that are responsible for depth of processing, empathy, and sensitivity to the subtlety, which all of these things can be incredibly beneficial, but they can also be a challenge, especially because the majority of our society is not at all formulated for a highly sensitive person, quite the opposite. And HSP really is its own category because it's not the same thing as autism spectrum disorder. It's not the same thing as PTSD, though these things have overlaps. And actually, I'm going to be hosting a masterclass in a class soon, so look out for that announcement where I'm going to talk specifically to HSPs. We're going to go through the research of how your system actually does function differently, how you can work with these things so that it's not a hindrance to your life, but it's actually benefiting your life. We're going to go through nervous system regulation and help your system to be able to rest more because there's a lot that you're processing. And we are also going to work on core wounds and beliefs as it relates to your sensitivities. To be announced soon.